Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I am very particular in the type of food I give my dog, so naturally I feel the same way about their treats, which is why I've really come to love these from Canine Cravers because of the high quality ingredients they use in their dog treats. So they only have one ingredient in all of their treats, and that is the protein. So in this case, this would be the beef fillets. I love the fact that they use this air drying technique that really locks in the freshness and the nutrients. As you can see, they are quite large. So in this case, the beef fillets are about the size of the palm of my hand. So that would be great if you have a large breed, a large size dog. In my case, I do have smaller dogs, but that's no problem at all because you can break them into smaller pieces and give them to your dogs, no problem. Mine are obsessed with these treats, like obsessed. I like the fact that the brand says to feed your dog to train, reward, and spoil, which is exactly what we do in our case. Maybe spoil a little more than they should, but I love the fact that we can use these to train our dogs, to try to get them to learn new tricks. As well, I do use them sometimes as a topper for their food. Sometimes they're picky eaters, and the only way they'll eat is if I sprinkle a little bit of these dog treats over their food. As well, they're great universally. Like I've given these to my friends' dogs and they love them. My dogs have tried the other protein dog treats from this brand and they're equally as obsessed. I just really am happy to find a good quality dog treat that I feel comfortable giving my dog and that they actually like as well. So no matter what size, no matter what breed of dog that you have, I know they're going to absolutely love these dog treats. But that's just my point of view.